2 by 1 digit multiplication. So if we have the number 34 and we're multiplying by 5. Sometimes you might see it set out like this. We're just going to set it out this way. First we're going to do 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. Now the number 20 is actually made up of 2 10s and no 1s. So my 2 10s goes up here in my 10s column, and my no 1s goes down here. My next step is 5 multiplied by 3. Now it's actually not 5 multiplied by 3 because this is a tens, right? So it's 5 multiplied by 3 tens. So 5 3s are 15. Now we have to make it 10 times bigger because the 3 is in the tens column. If you watched my previous videos on making numbers bigger by a factor of 10, remember the decimal place stays the same. We give everything a good old shove over. So if we take the number 15 and we shove it over to make it 10 times bigger, 15 sits there, the decimal place stays the same, and I need a placeholder. So it's actually 150 when we get the answer. So we got 3 times 5 is 15, and then we can't forget this little 2 at the top. We're going to add it. So 15 tens plus 2 tens is 17 tens, 170. There's other ways you can do this. You can do this by partitioning the number 34. So 34 partitioned is 30 plus 4. So I can do 30 and 4, and I'm going to multiply it by 5. 5 4s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 10 times big is 150. 150 plus 20 is 1. Oh, that should be an equal sign. Equals 170. Another way you could do it, let's see if we can use the partitioning that you guys have been using to solve the problem. So if I did 30 times 5, which is exactly what I've done in that box, then I could do 4 times 5, 150, 20, and add them up, 170. Okay, that's 2 by 1 digit multiplication.